Here's how to get an Arabic display name in Roblox. First of all, you need to go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, tap on the Get icon in the top right corner of your screen and select Settings. Ensure that your birthday is set to make you over 18 and change your account location to an Arabic speaking country. Go ahead and enter the Arabic words that you want to. Simply copy it in your clipboard. Go to the settings in the Roblox and select display name. Select the pencil icon that is beside the display name. Select it and quickly paste the Arabic letters, which is Ctrl+V, and immediately click on save before an error message appears. It may take several tries. If you're too slow, you'll get an unsupported character error. Keep trying to do it quickly. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.